Woodpeckers Spline Jig, a versatile woodworking jig that effortlessly enhances miter joints with splines. Crafted with high-quality materials, it ensures durability and precision. Compatible with table saws and router tables, it accommodates miter joints up to 16 inches wide. With 4 molded flip stops, it guarantees accurate spline alignment. Strengthen and beautify your woodworking projects with the Woodpeckers Spline Jig. Enjoy the benefits of reinforced joints, improved appearance, reduced waste, and enhanced accuracy. Elevate your craftsmanship with this essential jig in your workshop. Make your miter joints stronger and more visually appealing with the Woodpeckers Spline Jig. Introducing the new JessEm Dual Intake Dust Box, the ultimate dust collection system for rotor tables. With its dual intake system, it efficiently captures dust from both the fence and the rotor bit, ensuring superior collection. Made of high-quality materials including 18-gauge steel with a durable powder-coated finish, it offers long-lasting performance. Easy to install and compatible with most router tables, it features 2 inches and 4 inches dust port connectors for optimal collection. The built-in air port covers can be replaced with our hose adapter kit, guaranteeing a clean motor free from debris. The convenient side access panel allows for easy motor addition or removal without lift removal. Elevate your woodworking experience with the new JessEm Dual Intake Dust Box and maintain a clean and safe workshop. The Grizzly G0526A40 6 inches joiner, a powerful machine with custom features and an eye-catching black-on-green paint scheme. Its 4-row V-helical cutter head boasts 24 indexable carbide inserts for exceptional performance and a superior finish. The precision ground cast iron tables measure 60 inches in length, providing ample support for large workpieces, while the cabinet stands with a built-in mobile base offer enhanced mobility. The heavy-duty center-mounted fence features convenient stops at 45 degrees, 90 degrees, and 135 degrees for quick adjustments. With a 1-year warranty, comprehensive manual, and US-based customer service and technical support, the Grizzly G0526A40 is a reliable jointer that delivers precision and quality. The Levoite compact router base with handles is a versatile and durable addition to any woodworking workshop. With its 8-inch diameter base plate and integral handles, it provides enhanced stability and control for edge routing tasks. The flip-up fence adds to its precision, making it suitable for a range of woodworking projects. It is compatible with most major router brands, offering flexibility to woodworkers. Crafted from durable materials, the Levoite compact router base ensures longevity and reliability. Whether you're working on edge routing, mortises, or engraving, this router base delivers exceptional performance. Enhance your woodworking experience with the affordable and user-friendly Levoite compact router base with handles, perfect for both hobbyists and professionals. The Woodpeckers Mortise Tenon Joinery Jig is a versatile and precise tool designed for creating mortise and tenon joints with ease. With 4 templates and a range of sizes from 4 mm to 14 mm, it offers flexibility in joint creation. The jig includes router bits and guide bushings, ensuring a seamless setup. Simply clamp the workpiece, align the template, and route away. The built-in stop prevents overcutting, while the jig's impeccable construction guarantees accurately sized mortises. Utilize the included tenon stock to complete your joints with matching tenons, available in various wood species. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced woodworker, the Morty is an invaluable addition to any workshop. The Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp is a reliable tool for creating strong and precise pocket hole joints. Its 9.5 mm pin fits directly into drilled pocket holes, while the ratchet handle ensures even pressure distribution. With the quick release button, adjusting for different material thicknesses is a breeze. The non-marring clamp pad protects your work surface, and the aluminum construction guarantees durability. Woodworkers of all skill levels will appreciate the convenience and accuracy this clamp offers. Achieve impeccable pocket hole joints quickly and efficiently, saving time and enhancing the quality of your woodworking projects. Choose the Trend Pocket Hole Alignment Clamp for strong, accurate, and professional-grade results. The Infinity Cutting Tools Router. Vise is a versatile and durable tool designed to securely hold router bits during cleaning, maintenance, and sharpening. With adjustable jaws and a sturdy base, it accommodates various router bit sizes and provides a secure grip for safe handling. The Vise's compact and portable design makes it easy to store and transport. Features of the Infinity Cutting Tools router bit vise include durable construction, adjustable jaws, a sturdy base, and a secure grip on router bits. This essential tool ensures precision and confidence when working with router bits, allowing for efficient maintenance and optimal performance. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a hobbyist, this vise is a valuable addition to your workshop. The Jorgensen clamping meter saw is a versatile tool designed for precision wood cutting. Its metal base provides stability, and the simple angle adjustment mechanism allows for easy operation. With induction-hardened teeth, the saw offers durability and a longer cutting life. The Jorgensen clamping meter saw is an affordable option without compromising quality, making it ideal for budget-minded woodworkers. Its precision cuts, versatility, and durability make it suitable for various projects. Whether you're a professional or a hobbyist, this miter saw delivers accurate results with its sturdy metal base, user-friendly angle adjustment, and reliable saw. The WORKPRO Tools 20-volt Cordless Drill Driver and Impact Driver Kit is a powerful and versatile tool set for both DIYers and professionals. With its 20-volt max power motor, 21+1 torque settings, and 2 speed settings, it offers precise control and adaptability for various applications. The included 2 ampere-hour lithium-ion battery provides extended runtime, and the charger ensures quick and easy battery charging. This kit also comes with a carrying case for convenient transport and storage, along with a variety of drill bits and screwdriver bits for diverse project needs. Whether you're working on home improvement, furniture assembly, or light-duty construction, this kit has you covered. It's a reliable and user-friendly solution that combines power, versatility, and ease of use. The JSSUM tool Doweling jig system is a high-quality and user-friendly tool for creating precise dowel holes in various materials. Its CNC machined aluminum main body is durable and anodized for longevity, while the stainless steel mounting angle offers built-in alignment for multiple dowel holes. The hardened steel guide bushings ensure accuracy in every hole. Setting up and using the JSSUM tool Doweling jig system is a breeze. Simply attach the mounting angle, secure the main body, insert the appropriate guide bushing, align the dowel, and drill. This versatile system is perfect for creating strong and accurate dowel joints in a range of projects. With its superior construction and ease of use, the JSSUM tool Doweling jig system is an excellent choice for anyone seeking precision and reliability in doweling operations. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.